Hey everyone! Welcome to this CSS crash course. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, this video will cover everything you need to know about CSS with live examples and outputs. By the end, you'll be able to style your own web pages. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. It helps us design web pages by controlling elements like colors, fonts, layouts, and spacing. Without CSS, web pages look plain and boring. This is just raw HTML. Not very exciting, right? Now, let's add some CSS. There are three ways to add CSS: inline, internal, and external. We'll use internal CSS for now. Let's style our web page using internal CSS. We set the background to black and change the font to Arial. The heading is yellow and centered, while the paragraph is white, slightly larger, and also centered. Now our page already looks better. Let's move on to selectors. CSS selectors help us target specific elements. Let's check out three main types: element, class, and ID selectors. The element selector styles all instances of a specific HTML tag. Here, it changes the entire page background to light blue. The class selector targets elements with a specific class. This allows us to style multiple elements without affecting others. The ID selector styles a single unique element using #ID name. This is useful for individual custom styles. Selectors make styling specific parts of a web page easy. Now, let's explore text styling and fonts. CSS allows us to customize text appearance using fonts, size, and alignment. Let's see how it works. We change the heading to Georgia with a larger font size and dark blue color. The paragraph now uses Courier New, is slightly bigger, and has better spacing. Text styling is one of the easiest ways to improve your website's appearance. The box model works by controlling the spacing around elements. Padding is the space inside the box, ensuring the content stays away from the edges. The border defines the outer line of the box, and margin creates space between the box and other elements on the page. Together, these properties help manage element spacing and layout effectively. CSS allows us to control where elements are placed on the page. One of the easiest ways to position content is using Flexbox, which aligns elements in a flexible way. Let's center some text using Flexbox. The display Flex property creates a flex container, while justify content, center and align items, center content horizontally and vertically. Responsive design allows websites to adapt to different screen sizes, ensuring they look good on both desktops and mobile devices. We can achieve this using media queries. Let's make a simple page responsive. With the media query, we check if the screen width is below 600 px. If it is, we change the background color and adjust the font size. This makes the page mobile-friendly and responsive. CSS Animations and Transitions allow us to make elements interactive and dynamic. Let's add a simple hover effect using transitions. Here, we use transition to smoothly change the button's background color when it's hovered over. The transition lasts 0.5 seconds and makes the interaction feel smooth and natural. CSS Grid is a powerful tool for creating complex layouts. It allows us to design two-dimensional layouts with rows and columns. Let's create a simple grid layout. In this example, we define a grid container and create two equal width columns with grid template columns, 1FR, 1FR. The gap property adds spacing between the items. With Grid, you can easily create flexible and advanced layouts. You've just learned the basics of CSS, from styling text to creating layouts and making your websites responsive and interactive. Now you can start applying these concepts to your own projects. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next video.